Do you get stuck in a rut like me, just going through everyday tasks such as cooking and going to work and coming home from work, but not really feeling present in it? Well, if you feel like you want to get back into the swing of things and releasing some stress and unleashing some energy through movement, then follow along with me. I'm going to demonstrate a really fun and playful swinging motion that looks like this. But please bear with me. We will need to do a few warm-up moves first so we can warm up our spine, which is really important. I'm Katerina. I'm a registered clinical counsellor and a registered dance movement therapist here in beautiful Australia. Just a quick disclaimer, please seek medical advice from your trusted medical professionals such as your doctor if you have a pre-existing injury or medical condition, or if you are concerned for your health in general, particularly if you have physical balance issues. I'm going to show you what to do if you feel like you're going to lose your balance and how to catch yourself. I've also got a free reflection tool for you to download in the description box of this video. It helps you track your body sensations and your thoughts and feelings before, during, and after doing this movement. So let's get right into it. We're going to start by taking a deep breath in and our arms up above our head. Stretch and out. Again, breathing in. Stretch and out. Now, chin on chest, we're rolling our back down towards the floor. Bend your knees and touch the floor with your hands, and then slowly roll your back up. Doing this again. Chin on chest, and then rolling our spine down towards the ground and rolling it up very slowly. And now we're doing this again. Chin on chest, rolling ourselves down. Bend your knees, and we're going to gently bounce our lower back, very gently, while engaging our lower abdomen. This is to warm up our spine and our lower back. Just loosely bounce, and then rolling back up. Now we're going to roll our head to the side, to the front, and to the other side, and then back to the front and to the other side. So just half circles, rolling your neck, still warming up our spine from side to side. Now we're going to take our shoulders with us, still drawing half circles with our head and with our shoulders from side to side. Now, if you wish, if you feel up for it, we now can take a full circle, taking our head and our shoulders back to the side, to the front, and to the other side. And you can also change direction of this circular motion. Now, before we start with the swinging motion, have a quick look for what to do if you lose balance. So you just take a step forward. If you are up on your tippy toes and you lose balance, just take any foot to step forward. Now let's do this together, taking our arms up above our head and using them to swing our whole body down towards the floor, bending our knees and back up. Again, we're swinging down towards the floor, taking our head with us and back up. Keep going, and you may also do this from up on your tippy toes, swinging yourself down to the ground from there, but you can just stay on your flat feet if you like. Keep swinging up and down, taking your head with you on the downswing. Now you can also do this movement to the side, stretching your arm out to the side, taking it above your head, taking it around the front of your body, and then coming out on the other side. So let's see that again. We're going to stretch our arm out to the side, taking it above our head, and then rolling around to the front, and then taking the other arm with us over our head and to the other side. So you can keep swinging around from one side to the other that way. Let's take one last deep breath in and out. So this was our quick swinging motion, using our spine to feel playful and I hope you had as much fun as I did, because I just love that movement. It just gets me right into the swing of things. Remember, there's a free reflection tool for you to download in the description box of this video. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.